Most people think 3D printing is just about making toys. It's not. 3D printing creates real-world objects directly from digital designs. But here's what most people don't see. Before printing even starts, the design goes through a step called slicing. The printer reads G code and your slicer handles creating that for you. No effort needed. That G code is what the printer actually understands. It tells the machine where to move, how fast to go, when to extrude material. From there, the printer follows those instructions precisely, building the object layer by layer. Sounds simple, but the impact is massive. From medical implants to aerospace parts, even entire houses, 3D printing is redefining manufacturing. We're moving from mass production to mass customization. And this is just the beginning. What's one industry you think 3D printing will disrupt next?